Hello. Today, well, I noticed that one of the comments said there's like I haven't made a video in 8 days. So I had to fix that, so I'm making one today for the battle cats. You can watch this. You know what? Yeah, this is boring. I've already got a lot of progress on this game. See? And Viking Cat, that's like I played this game before when I didn't have a YouTube channel. First of all, let's read what this says. Stole a pen from a favorite actress. Leaked a sandal during a blind date. What? Yay. Soulmate? What? Stepped in something gross after dueling with the battery or whatever that is. So he built a home on a boat, bro. What? How can you travel to the center of the earth and get shipwrecked? Oh, look, 2 capital. Yay, XP. What? Yeah, this is too weird. I'm going to skip. Yay. Let's send. Wait a second. Ooh. Yes, add. I don't. One add a leggy. What? No. Please, no. God, help. No. Is this anime? Yeah, this ain't interesting. I'm not gonna play this game. I'm like never going to play this game. Okay? I'm not. It's like guaranteed I'm not gonna play this game. But hey. Now back you go for the 6 hours. Bye. Yeah, there it goes. There he goes. I'll just show you. I'm going to Brazil today. Brazil. I'm going to Brazil. So, if you don't know Battle Cats, it's simply a game where you send out people to brutally murder other people. Like this. These are my meat shields, by the way. So, this is Cat. This is Tank Cat. Wall Cat. Macho Cat, Wall Cat. And this person is Boogie Cat. This is Viking Cat. This is Swordsman Cat. That's like a... I don't even know. Oh, Kamakura. Bath Cat. This... Bath Cat, Miltosaur Cat, Apple Cat. They can probably hold off. While I get enough this, which increases your max amount of monies. Once I get enough money, I'm gonna send off this dude with a lot of meat shields. Because according to Google and Wikipedia, I'm pretty sure Wikipedia, I don't know, I only searched this up on Google. This guy is very bad without meat shields. Oh, there goes Tank Cat. Sad. Now we wait. Bro, there's a lady would... You know what? Yeah, never mind. This is a kid-friendly channel, so I'm not gonna say it. This lady is almost naked, bro. With elephants. Now, since it's full, I don't really care because I'm just gonna wait for these two to die. Whoop, there they... Whoop. Wrong button. That's Viking Cat. In action, and this is the dragon. Send off the dragon. You don't know what you're dealing with here, gorilla. Yeah, now he probably knows what he's dealing with. Probably. Yeah, he probably knows. He's not coming back anytime soon, I'm pretty sure. If he comes back, I'll teach him another lesson. Let's go. Oh, look, you're back thinking with a friend? Ah, die. Boom. You're dead again. Wait a second. Oh no, moth. Wait, is it a moth? Yeah, it looks like a moth. Yeah, I can probably beat it. Whatever it is, I can beat it. Probably. Because I'm at the second chapter and I already beated this dude before. And I know he's not too powerful. As he kills literally everyone in the front. But there he goes. So you don't have to really worry about him anymore. So, yeah. We're just gonna get some XP and go for a few upgrades. Yeah, just a few upgrades. Look at all those crocodiles. Well. Mission. Yummy. Wait, no, that's a sniper the cat. I thought it was cat food. What now? Oh. Huh. Okay. Adrienta, or however you pronounce it. I'm coming for you next. First of all, I'm just gonna go for one upgrade. Yes, just one teeny tiny upgrade to waste all my XP. Well, Adrienta, I'm just gonna call you Adrienta. You're doomed. Oh, look, this guy has big lips. Big lips. And your appetite's bad. Your belly is fat. He toink. I really have to do something about this dude's belly fat. And he sure has a lot of health. Yeah, this is actually the base, though. Yeah. It's a base. And while these guys go on for a journey. Gasp. Yep, an epic journey. Boogie Cat is actually boogieing. If you watch her, or he, I don't even know, you can see he boogie. And even the attack is boogieing. A gorilla, huh? Seems like the gorilla doesn't have enough. First of all, I'm just gonna fire the beam. The gorilla almost died there, I'm pretty sure. Sigh. Now I'm just gonna waste my money and send on another few meat shields. Okay, fine. It might look like it's a bad situation, but it's actually not. Because this. Boom, there it goes. And it didn't even take one little dent on our base. Ain't that great? Oh, look, a seal. Yeah, I better take some red strong people. Which these four, I guess, are stronger red. And there it already goes. I don't even know what I'm saving for by now. But Mr. Fat Lips and Fat Belly is going to die. If you're from Adrienta, or however you pronounce it, please tell me how to pronounce it. Or if you know how to pronounce it, please tell me how to pronounce it. And tell me if you think me saying this thing is Fat Lips and Fat Belly is offensive to you. Because I don't want to be offensive. Them. Most of them dead. Oh no, another seal. I am so afraid. Yeah, I'm not afraid. Because there they all go. They all go down like that. First of all, yeah, we're doing this. So, next episode, tell me in the comments if you want me to want to see me do Into the Future or Legend stages. Tell me in the comments. Tell me in the comments, please. Tell me, or else die. And Machu Picchu, you're going down. As in, we will wreck you so hardly that your city will fall down into the water. Because my dragon is pretty much water type, I'm guessing. Yay. After these 3 die, I'm sending out Viking Cat to see how good he actually is. While I'm here waiting for my stupid money to go stupidly faster. As if this ain't fast enough. It's like pretty much fast enough. Oh no, a penguin, I am so scared. Well, yeah, I'm not gonna test how good Viking Cat is. Send out another round of meat shields to annoy it. Send out another round of meat shield to annoy the penguin even more. Send another round to annoy the penguin and the upcoming gorilla. Machu Picchu's putting up a real fight, bro. But this is only the start of the battle. They will soon see the power of the dragon. I don't even know but the base can probably take a few hits. The base can probably take a few hits. Yeah, I can probably take a few hits. Face the dragon. Boom. They all dead. See how powerful my dragon is? That's what you get for damaging, yeah, oh, elephant. That's gonna be a problem. The elephant's gonna be a problem. Like a real problem. Not as much as the moth. Wait a second. He just killed, like, half of my population. Hey, at least he's dead. I see. More penguins coming to ruin their lives on the spot. Yeah, why am I making this so dramatic? Because I sure don't like drama. As in dramatic stuff. Bro, how dare it? How dare it almost kill some of my whale cats? Oh my god, they're sending a kangaroo at us? That's mean. I don't like kangaroos. And I thought, you know what? Yeah, never mind. 2 kangaroos at us? That's not fair. Where did you get all that money? Meat shields defend the dragon while it technically defends you. Another elephant? Well, I guess the dragon got the last shot. Yeah. Easter Island. I remember from the last world that this is where they send a rhino at us. Yep. Better start saving. Put in some good units. Because Rhino's red and I have a lot of really good at destroying and completely annihilating reds in my army, technically, I guess. So I'm gonna focus on buying meat shields. Maybe grab another bath cat. Because the Rhino's pretty darn OP. It's tanky too. There's too much those guys here. They're preventing my cats from attacking it. Better help. The Rhino should be dying by now, right? No? Okay, now it's dead. That's good. Now I can start saving up, just in case they throw another Rhino at us. I have a pretty decent army right now, so... Now we just wait for our monies to rise and watch the battle. Awkward waiting. Awkward silence moment. I only send the dragon out if it's an emergency. And technically, yeah, emergency. Oh, look, I got some damage. Well, there's a second Rhino, I guess. Hey, Viking Cat, don't go so quick. Wait for your dragon, or else you will die. As in completely die and get annihilated by the... Yeah. I don't think Cat's listening to us right now. Bro, the Rhino's tanky. You know what? Yeah, it's not that tanky. Never mind. I only fire the beam if there's need of firing the beam. Because the beam doesn't damage bases for some reason. Which is real unfair, because because the beam, I'm pretty sure it does... Oh. We've reached our max cat population. And I'm here just trying to deploy a unit. Okay. Ooh, on me, son. Oh, look, I got 100,000 XP. Yeah, I'm just gonna go upgrade. What should I upgrade? Yeah, I'm just gonna waste all my hard-earned 100 XP on this dude. That's gonna cost a lot. Well, our energy is at max. So, not really at max, but... So I'm just gonna say right here that we're ending it. Just kidding. I'm just gonna show you how powerful zombies are. So, outbreaks. Colombia. What do we have here? This sucks. We don't know what... They're going to destroy me. I can barely defeat a zombie dog. Hey, at least things here cost less. So I can build up an army faster. And get the dragon quicker. Oh yeah, have I mentioned that zombies dig? So they come up. So like, I should be sending one person, a little army to out there to defend. Well, to attack, and then an army here to defend. It's gonna sure take a long time. Oh no, a zombie snake. I hate zombie snakes because they're kind of OP. I don't think the dragon will come into a lot of use. Oh my god, that dog just knocked back, like, killed literally almost my whole cat. Almost like all my cats. Well, what do they have here? Kangaroos? What? They never told me we'd have kangaroos. I cannot beat a zombie kangaroo. What is this? What is this? What is this? What is this? I can't even beat a zombie snake, bro. Keep the meat shielding. Aww. Well, I'm just gonna say right here that zombies are OP. Bye.